Okay, moving on to question 7. So if we have a cube, all the side lengths are going to be the same. So I can just label them as x, x, x. To find the surface area, this will just be the area of one face, which is x times x. And because we have 6 faces in total, we have top, bottom, left, right, front, back. That's why we have 6 faces. And in a cube, all the area of each face are the same. So this is why we times it by 6. So we can say that the surface area is really just 6x squared of a cube. And the volume of a cube will just be x times x times x. So volume of a cube is just x to the power 3. So now I'm looking at 7a. The surface area will be 6 times the area of one face, because the side length here is 3. So the area of one face will just be 3 times 3. And we get 54. The volume will just be the side length times the side length times the side length. So we get 27. They didn't really tell us the unit, so the most correct answer, we probably need to include unit square and unit cube, but I think it's okay here for this table, because I remember the answer key doesn't have the unit square and unit cube. B. Surface area is 6 times the area of one face. The area of one face is just 2.5 times 2.5. And then I will just type that into the calculator. I get 37.5. Volume is 2.5, which is the side length multiplied by itself 3 times. And we get 15.625. C. This time we were told that the surface area is 384. I can say that surface area is 6x squared, right? From our formula, the surface area is 6x squared. So I can say 6x squared equals to 384. Now we can divide both sides by 6 to get x squared equals to 64. To find x, we square with both sides, because square and square would cross each other out. So we get x equals to the square root of 64, x equals to 8. So that will be the side length, just 8 units. The volume, knowing that the side length is 8, will just be 8 times 8 times 8. And we get 512 unit to the power 3. And then D. Same idea, we were told that surface area here is 726. We know that surface area is 6x squared. So now we can just divide both sides by 6. We get x squared equals to 121. To find x, we will simply square with both sides, and we get x equals to 11. So this is side length equals to 11 units. And now we can say that volume is just the side length times the side length times the side length. And we get 1331 unit cube. E. So in E, we were told that volume is 125. We know that volume is just x to the power 3. So to find x, we will just cube it with both sides. Same with square root. cubic root and to the power 3 also cross each other out. You're left with x equals to the cubic root of 125. And the cubic root of 125 is 5 because 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. So side length is 5 units. The volume, it will be side length times side length times side length, which is 125 unit cube. F volume is 343. We know that volume is x to the power 3. Now we cube it with both sides. We get x equals to 7. So the side length is 7 units. The surface area is just 6 times the area of one face, and the area of one face will be 7 times 7. We get 294 units squared. G. So this time the side length is 3x. So surface area will just be 6 times the area of one face. The area of one face will just be 3x times 3x. So we get 6 times 9x squared, because 3 times 3 is 9, x times x is x squared. Finally, 6 times 9 is 54. So 54 x squared is our answer for the surface area. If you want, you can also put unit square here. The volume is going to be 3x times 3x times 3x. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. X times x times x is x to the power 3. So just 27 x to the power 3. And that's it for question 7. I'll see you in question 8.